of whose? Of Government of India, which is referred as the annual financial statement. Understood? Article 112 is easy. Nothing is there. Nothing, no rocket science with regards to Article 112, Clause 1. Article 112, Clause 2. Now, listen carefully. It gets technical, right? The estimates of the expenditure shall be presented in such a manner that what? Expenditure charged on CFI, expenditure charged on Consolidated Fund of India has to be shown separately from expenditure made from CFI. Do you have a confusion in the statement?
No, sir.
What does it mean then? Read the statement. It's right in front of you in your screens. Expenditure charged on CFI has to be shown differently or separately from expenditure made from CFI. Expenditure
CFI
charged
meaning
Consolidated Fund of India. Okay. Expenditure charged on CFI has to be shown separately from expenditure made from CFI.
this
Sir,
expenditure which has been made from the CFI will needed the vote of the parliament, na?
Yes,
Okay.
that is the difference. In other words, you can write that charged expenditure means what?
Already mentioned in the constitution.
Yes, non-votable. Okay. Charged expenditure means non-votable. It is already mentioned in the constitution, like you said.
Salaries वगैरह होती हैं.
Yes, 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 correct. We'll be studying that. We'll write it. Okay. And then, so expenditure made expenditure is what then? What will be made expenditure? It is votable.
Sir, allocation जो बजट में होता है कि
Yes.
यहाँ इतना पैसा जाएगा.
You can call it demand for grants. Please, for people who've not read demands for grants, have not come across the statement demand for grants, you will learn it. Okay, right now you just need to understand charged expenditure का मतलब ये है कि वो जो expenditure है, it won't be voted upon. The parliament won't vote on that expenditure. Okay, we will come back to it specifically. I have to write one more statement under Article 112 Clause 2, which many of you will be studying in your economics or have already studied in your economics. Probably in my macroeconomics, right? Expenditure on the revenue account. Have you studied revenue accounts in your economic classes?
Capital and revenue accounts, both,
You
sir.
all of you have studied.
Yes.
Good.
Not there, but by our own.
Okay, when has as sir will teach probably. Right, I did not know his format, but has he taught revenue account? Has what about the other students?
सर अभी
Who?
सर ने नहीं कराया ये वाला टॉपिक, अभी हमारा बजट वगैरह नहीं हुआ है.
Acha, so when we reach budget, maybe he'll teach. Fine. ठीक है. अगर if sir will never forget to teach you, ठीक है. Sir, I'm giving 100%. Sir will never forget to teach you. He'll cover everything. Prashant sir, right? He will cover everything.
Yes, sir.
In economics. If ever, if make sure you've read the term revenue account. Okay, and make sure you ask. If it is not taught you, make sure, do not ask now, let him reach budget. He will for sure cover this, because this is one of the most basics. What is a revenue account and capital account? Okay, so he will cover this in you. This will be covered in the economics class. Fine. Right, so do not worry. But what you need to know here is that expenditure on the revenue account has to be shown separately from the expenditure on the which account? On the other account, that is on the capital account. Okay. This will be taught to you in your economics class. What is revenue account? What is capital account? How, which is the expenditure side? Where the non-tax revenue? All of that you will study. Fine. Moving on. Now we'll study what is charged expenditure. Right. You already know the funda behind charged expenditure, but what does it contain? Article 113. Sorry. Article 112, Clause 3. The articles, the numbers of the articles are given to you mostly in a chronological format. Right? So whenever you study from the articles. Prelims, they usually do not ask too many articles. The important articles are always asked, but they do not ask too many articles. But why am I teaching you in a chronological nature all the articles is that you can quote it for your mains. And in most articles, in most statements, the exact statement from the Constitution is given. Why is it given so? So you can write it in your answers. When you use such constitutional language, they will be really impressed and they'll for sure give you more marks. Understood? Okay? Now, Article 1 to Clause 3 consists of expenditure charged on CFI. What does charge expenditure mean? What does charge expenditure mean?
Sir, non-votable.
Good. Okay, please focus in class. Do not get distracted. Do not text in the group. Do not respond. Do not see. Keep your phones aside. If you're using your phones, keep your notifications muted, please. Okay. Now, what does charge expenditure consist of? Firstly, salary and allowances of the president. And expenditure of his office. Fine. Secondly, salaries and allowances of speaker, deputy speaker, Then who are the other presiding officers?
Vice President.
Yes, chairman and
Vice Chairman.
vice chairman. No, what is the name? Deputy chairman. Okay, deputy chairman is the more suitable terminology. So keep on focus. Wait, I'll do that later. Okay, let me firstly list out. Okay, salary and allowances and pensions of Supreme Court judges. Salary and pensions. Oh, sorry. Salary and pensions of Supreme Court judges. Then pension of High Court judges. Now you understand why these cannot be voted upon. When you're reading this, when I'm writing it in front of you, you must understand that why these cannot be voted upon, because they're very, very important constitutional functionaries. Right? Did you notice something different here? We've mentioned salary and pension of Supreme Court judges, but we only mentioned pension of High Court judges. What about the salary of a High Court judge?
That is charged on the state consolidated fund of.
Yes. Good. Salary of SC High Court judge. Is charged on CFS. What is CFS? Consolidated
Fund of
State.
India.
Of state.
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 Of a particular state. Fine. Fourth, salary of the Comptroller and Auditor General, CAG.